Just a quick explanation of what's going on here. We've got some supplemental warps that are making these diamond shapes. We're using pickup sticks here, and we're using finger manipulation here to cause the warps to move from where they should be according to their slots to where we want them to be for this particular project. I'm making a table runner for this. They have quite long floats. I'm not sure it's going to work particularly well for a scarf. And right now, while it's on the loom and under tension, everything is nice and straight and tight. My expectation when this comes off the loom and I do a wet finish is that we're going to have some puckering in here. In fact, when I roll on, when we get a little bit more weaving here, you can see a little bit of that puckering starting already on the edges. And I expect that these will not be so tight, so I think that these would really catch on things if it was a scarf. But for a table runner, I think it's going to look really lovely. So that's what's happening. We have the supplemental warps here. They're being spread out here, and then they come back together. And it's a two-step process, one using pickup sticks and one using finger manipulation.